Hey, hi there. One of the questions I get asked a lot is they did a Google Sites and they went ahead and published it and they can see it, but then when other people try to access their Google site or try to go to there, they get the following error. Let me show you. Not there. Sorry. Edge. Here you go. So this is Microsoft Edge. It doesn't have my account. So I want to go to my web page and they get this error, the 404 error that is not found, is not on the server. So what's happening right there? Why can some people see it? You can see it when you publish it, and some people from your organization, in this case my school district, can see it. Is because you didn't publish it for everybody. You didn't put it public. So let's correct that error. Let me close everything. In order to do that, and you already published it and nobody can see it, you have to go to the top right on the publish button, uh, click on the drop menu and unpublish it. You can unpublish the site. Click OK, got it. You're going to publish again. You're going to click again, publish site. Inside there, don't change your web address. You already have something in mind or you already have one. Go to the manage. Okay. Do not change the first one, is the second one. You see this one, the second one? You can change it. Usually is in this option. Specific people can view when published, meaning only a few people have access to it, or anyone at your Laredo Independent School District can actually view the session, which is my organization. But you don't want that because only people that have access, with the Google accounts can see that in your site. You have to make available to anyone can find and view the published version, meaning your parents and somebody who is not using the Laredo ISD uh, uh, local area network. So, okay, once you change it, you click save. Uh, Make sure you prevent editors from publishing and changing your access. You give access to somebody else. You can invite people to your webpage, to make access. So you're like in a team, and you're 3 or 4 people are building the same website or adding to the contributing to the same thing. They can do so, but if you can give access to them, but with this check on, they cannot publish or do any changes. Okay, so if you're working in a team, make sure this is not. Okay, if you're working in a team, make sure this is not checked. If you don't have nobody, you're the only author, and nobody will to have a change. Make changes, just prevent. Okay, click done. Once you're done, make sure that request public search engines to do not display my site. Okay, either you can do that, so it's not going to be easily available on like Google or like Yahoo. Okay, so it's only like the ones who actually click on your district's website. Now, if you want to make search engines actually find your page, it's just uh, unclick it, okay, and just click publish. There you go. Once it's published, and let me go to that publish. You're gonna go to the view. There you go. That's how you see it. Now let's see if it works on another one. You see, and this side it was not available, so I'm gonna. Oh, it's already there, so I'm just gonna paste it again, which is the same address, and voila! Now it's available to everybody to see, and that error will go away. I hope this has been helpful a little bit. This thing and how to actually publish your Google's site for everybody else to see. So if somebody tells you, hey, I cannot see your site, it's because probably you still have it on those settings that nobody can see it or only the organization people can see it. You have to make it public. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.